lie. He said the children of the ex-wife no go lie come to their house and they come. One I no verse, so I know say me I not too much understand this TikTok, eh? You can't understand them very honest. One I know verse, one I know verse for me, okay? Normally I know they come to TikTok, they come here and come on this time. Okay, me I do this one. That's my people more than no verse. This woman say lie. Me I play for now. He said that is the ex-wife of this man. The children not go lie come her own house. Meaning the house where we say this man gets with her. He say no go come. You see all these things, I go play am for now. You see all these things where they happen so where we say we dey listening for Papa Twins video. Now this man now he get the blame from A to Z. Take it or leave it. Please send me to our power tap. You will like this video, share this video for me. Okay? Share the video for me because sometimes I know say they say this woman they even they preach about say single mother make una let una children they see una papa. Hey, and they tell una say not be everything one hear for media una go they carry. You where they sit down they tell single mother make them they allow their children they see their papa. So you can't talk out for video say lie titi lie. Where be say your husband children where they fair born before they even marry you put for inside house say they no go come. No matter wetin, me I tell you, I not too much blame you. You will be saying as the wife, now the man now blame. Because Bini say, oh, we are no masabo why now the husband be. You know what it make me talk? All the story where be say with the year since waiting they happen as it take collect the man now so because we know say you see that mama T where they say the first wife, everything where that woman talk is true. Take it or leave it. Even when she they repeat yesterday when we they watch, you see they repeat the same thing. Now not say we with the record. With the as we they do and they just did they will the record down. Mama T, my sister, I don't know you for anywhere on I thought this social media now for see say you cry come. You not cry come say because of the man. Yes. You say make this woman leave you for waste. Make you not the chuku you. Now make you come. Nobody say you carry the man come. You say this man where you born for. Hey, Omasabo wae. Omasabo wae. Okbi ano masabo wae. Na ibi. Na me talk aga with my unume ya ya ta Omasabo wae. Because if you really sabo wae, I not see the reason why be say woman where you marry, now you can they decide for you, for the children where you fair don't born. If marriage ends, no problem. Everybody go their own way. Everybody go their own way, no problem. But waiting you they talk yesterday when you there for phone. If I get time, if you play on phone now. You say you want go see your children, but you want make your wife and your new family may they follow you go. Oh God, you know what those children where you abandon for many years, what they don't pass through. Martin Connie, you not think about that one because why not concern you? You don't already get another family. According to you don't marry this one. Now this one be your life, now be your everything. Una mia we ukwaka mia ke mi otowa. You see una we be a do people the way one of them they do something. I go they make for inside. They make something they tire person. Una come they talk say the woman no allow me to see my children when we there for abroad. Abroad where be say Lord day. If una they talk if I they watch una I go they hungry me I enter that live video make I give una iwa gba hold you one. Any man where they talk say the woman no allow me God go punish you. Now God go punish that your mouth. Because you know, if you want to do something for this abroad, where you they go, not be the office, you know the law where he hold you for a year. Because all of you they run because of so now no one pay money. What I say? What I say? That was our ancestor. Because waiting now they put those children, una know they know. So if your wife, your own wife, when you put for house, not follow you, go see your children, you don't go see your children. What be go be no masabo why okay? Oh, be no masabo why? Now the power when you give this your wife, whether they call Roda, now it make she they come and call they talk to oh who we carry no beer, no waka no cure then we. Woman will be say open road for you. When they call you say I'm not a father. Eh? I'm not a father. You can't say me your second wife they talk to any. Otherwise, your wife not get this your wife when you put for yourself. If you not get voice to they talk to, he give you way. Or bonurie your autonomy. That's the how when you put for around. Yes. For her to come out for social media, come they talk and say, you see those children, they will never come here. No matter how the way you want play, Rhoda. Say the ex-wife, say go give the papa. Go give your husband. You're not there for the picture. You're not there for the picture. Oh no, no, or over sabi where they worry most of you. If you don't, now you collect person your husband. According to you, when they ask you, I was there. I there for that video. I did record. When they ask you, you tell no the man. Now they can say, now you can say, now you be papa twins. You go see man. You go see man. You not go find out. Whether you don't get wife, you don't get children, or you don't marry, who find out, you not find out. Who you want to talk now? People like us. You don't know if you know they talk the thing. We will be say we get our brain, we they calculate. You know everything about this man before you go there. You know if you talk say you don't know. You see all those are why don't me. Why want me who hog bonnet? Why me am you or who want me emonu waka be wife liakwa? Una say there not be anything. But Mr. Man, when I una mi we who waka mi ake mi otowa. Or say boy anything happen to you today. If those children not dead, they not they do anything. You hear? If your wife when you marry now not follow you go see your children, you are not going there because you're where you want, worry you want. Nonsense. Now they do something where be say people go come out come they bar hold you want. Did it really diverse me, my people? When I see this video where this Rhoda do, he said those children will never. Oh, the thing pay me. Mama Titi, anybody will know that Mama Titi. My sister, never you allow your children to go. Yes. Thank God you say your children now. They are 18 years. Not be because of that one you call social media. Yes, I must say the truth. Not be because of, say, your ex, now make you come. Now because of this woman where they choke you. They say, don't tell where they choke you. Even many videos where they go, they say, now from Facebook, okay, choke you. They choke and. Or ask choke over here. Warm your dog. What you choke, he give you, may you carry go. The woman, they carry children, they go, now she, they do everything by herself. He not call you. Who you feel look back here? Now so na be. Have a snatcher. Have a snatcher. They go the show for every corner where they go. Mr. Ma, you say you want to talk one thing yesterday. You say the marriage because Papa Twins can't put he can't put the marriage picture where you with your ex. You can't put on for there. You say whether you know the picture. You want to talk one thing. You say now the woman I send money make them marry you. Shame on you. You think say you can't shame the woman. Are you not ashamed? Oh wait a bien no marry. You hear the thing say you can't fool the woman. You dey fool yourself. May I tell you? You see those children where be say Mama Titi born for you. They don't even know whether you they exist again. Just face this one. As far you say now this one where born for you, now it be children. Carry they go. You see those one where be say Mama Titi born for you. You don't come more for their picture. You know what they talk. You don't cancel. You know they gay. Now only the son and they carry they go. You know why? Because they not be like us where be say them born us for Africa that time. You go say, nah, my papa, I want to go look for my papa. Who born you? Children where they born for abroad. You there for the same Germany. Your wife where you marry now, you can't value and pass those children. Shame on you, Mr. Man. Shame on you. Even me, I even the shame yesterday when you they talk and say, now I can't say if I want to come and see my children, I go carry my former children, I go carry my children where I born now with my wife, then we'll go there. Are you talking? A multitude we never see for many years. You want to carry this family where you born. You don't even tell them say you don't born. You see people, children where be say now they abandon like this, una no know waiting on the cost for their brain. Now God now they save those children. Then go they see other people, papa. They know they see una who are who. Una don't buy. Not be said. Yes, if person talk say you don't buy, you don't buy. As I say you know they there. What you call say don't buy in yaje. You dey life, you be like say you not dey life. You not there for their picture. You not present for them. So who were you don't go already. You don't go already. Eh? You don't go already. What if you all those one? Eh? Una go get you a more children there with you. You define woman when you want follow you. Because if your woman can't tell you say you are not, you go nowhere, you go really sit down. You see all these things what they do. Una de why you ya mama. Why you ya mama? What they call my people? Eh, why ya mama? I can. You did the way you talk yesterday, eh? Now the woman marry you put for inside house. Yes. Mama Titi not come for you or say you must come see children. She come for another thing. But wait till you come they talk. Children we never see. Even the last born, according to when I come they talk yesterday, the last born not even know you. The last born not even know you. Where be say Mama Titi born for you. You can't forget the one where you feel born. Why be say if una get issue with una wife, una go make sure say una abandon una children where the person born for. No matter what it go happen, what it go make you leave those children. The same Germany now day. You say you don't know where they. Now your children you define since now you not see. Eh? If you were going to see manamio. More than they do things good though. More than they do things because now don't be aware when you watch out you do be able to cover the way. Now make some children. They don't grow. They don't. You see, all those your always be said they will complete 18 years. Your ex-wife say now happy na October, be na November, now they want compete. They don't know whether you dare again. Just carry your wala, just they go. More than listen to wait till this woman talk. If not be husband, they give her power. Wait. I they call my people. You see how they say. Wanna see? Wanna see, eh? Woman where be say, na he collect person bola. He collect on your bonary, eh? Good and fine. The woman not even talk. Wanna see what they come out for him mouth. When if she fit all this one for media. Hey.
If they will find that papa cannot go put this dog. I say that papa, you don't go they live another life. Now so I wicked we show mukuna they add this one the Jonah saga the gist. Or my coming. The children not going to enter this house. Now me talk am. So now so I wicked wish. The parents shall live before them, but after that they speak that English.
He said the children of Mama Titi, they no go enter the man house. You can't forget, say this man, now he born those children. Oh, born up, your water. Now the hand where he put for you, grant for you. Who be you? Who be you? Because you get make who stay born for her. The picking way be saying don't fake get before. Make it throw away them. Because of say, oh, mare uhe I not blame you, Rhoda. Oh, I not blame you. You see your husband. Oh, no masabo wae na be. See what she talk come out for live video. Say those children no go enter. Mama Titi, don't let them come more. And in my leg buff where they tell you, I don't know you for any corner. But now what person they talk. Not let your children near there. Again, I say that. I even like and say now abroad than they. Once they are 18 years, they don't even need you. Even do you will even train themselves. You will be mama. They're not because as far as they don't get their girlfriend or their boyfriend, they don't cut the thing. Don't they cut? You understand? The love still there. But you will be saying you be papa after 18 years. What you want to do for them? You go give one. Don't let your children near there. God forbid bad thing. Don't try it. Oh. You don't born for the man, you born for the man. Good and fine. But the woman, wait till you can't talk for live video. O sa boy ginya be se mani ya nwa me. E ko do alog e mo wa. I never see this kind of thing. Now you collect bola for person hands. The way one take talk, everybody knows say you snatch am. Because many people that time, during that time, where be say people they run, they go Germany. Na Germany come they rain now. Many people use that to lose their husband, lose their wife. Everybody know. The thing to pay me say now you way be say be man. Because the way where you take handle your house, now your wife go take follow. The second wife where you marry, now you go take follow. You not handle your house where. Now this one called the comments. Or do I tell the rubbish for children where you be say you don't fair born before you even know her. Now because of all those children, that they call you a Romo. The wife when you marry put for his house, he go sit down for live video. Or I feel like can the money, and you do not they do anything about the issue. You see, look and say na normal thing. Mama Titi said she don't move on, she don't marry. You don't even talk about you. Not be because of you, it come. And because of say they come, they bring the issue, bring her. He said, make this your ex, this your wife, make it leave her for waste. They say don't take away, don't they shoot can. I see one of your video that time for Facebook of you like on no where now can be the woman self. And not too much follow up for the issue. Mr. Man, you see that thing where you dey fear, say, hold your hand where he go still leave you tomorrow. Go mark can. Do better. Do better. Do better. And them on where war any. Maybe tomorrow you can't find them. There's no way they will see. They won't even see you. Because the way we not they do for. I don't know what they on our head. Speaking when you fair born, you go throw away because of bekus. Because another bekus don't they born for you. Now those children now where they born for you. Now any more. The one where they for birth for you. Any una come they tell us for social media say, now some my ex-wife carry children. Oh go bedu wa bitu wa fianwu. Iba bolla wa yegbea. Una don't know where cut today. Not be abroad with it. Any man where they talk that thing, na turn that go fire you. Because you know where cut today. To find your children. No woman get right to carry children wrong. No woman. Now because of say now just leave her, make the woman they kokora and they go. You don't come concern now. Now they do. Now they do. Because otherwise you go know your rights. When it comes to other things for this abroad, you know your rights. When it comes to children to take care of, you go say you don't know your rights. And now the woman can't carry. You know they allow me to see my children. Oh, if I bother like bear. You know they allow now they see the children. You don't know where cut today. If you defend your children, you now know what you now they do. So you don't see fresh bekus where be say they born for you. May I tell you, Mr. Man, which children you want come born today? Not the one 7 the money, the one where Mama Titi born for you. Which one? You don't use your hand. Even though say you with the woman not there again. That one me I not even get interest. He snatch out, you not snatch out. Many women they use and lose husband during that time when they run, they go Germany and they go Germany work not there. They use and lose husband, some lose wife. But what about those children? Because you lose the wife, must you lose your children also? One let here, no one take on a responsibility. Now they cause all these things where they. Rhoda, you see that thing where you talk say those children will never enter there. Make I tell you. I know say na abroad with them. I just pray maybe say your children, they're not deserve for boge how. Isalo bua. Wo gboma mi o ma odo. Wo ye be sole mo no bie. Adie you go come they talk that kind of thing. Say those children will never enter your house. Now you get house. There bonone no biare your water no. O bia no masa bo wa eri yo ogunane. Oh, bianoma sabo wife, oh, what 10 years otherwise, who born you, who you be, when you come the talent, consign those children. Before you talk, you go say, no talk. A money zege nyati emera before your own come. Because now you give them that opportunity. May come they talk to those children anyhow. Children will be said they don't grow. They are almost 18 years. No children will never enter your house. And you think say they don't see this video. What did they want to do for your house? God there, they be waiting, they want to collect. As far as when they be 18 years, they don't even know whether the area and the door exist. Because the time where they need them, you know, they. The time where they need their papa, the papa say no roads. He say don't close. He say na kpekus or a new kpekus all sweeting and then the sweet now. Una born children now run come on una say the mama say wait the mama get out. The mama get out not because they decide. As far as they defend you, they go, you they run, they go. Huh? See una life, see all of una. And they'll just sit down for life. You didn't have to just worry. Why not by way? Walking here more like Mario, but not by way. No more way. Not be life you did, not be this abroad you did. You don't know how to work to see your children. But you know want to. You know want to. So rather you can't sit down, they tell say, make those children, or let's say the papa don't, because now people like you, now they tell say, you go choose, or me, or your children. People like you now, or take baby on the man that finger. And then mugu no ni where the men go say, no, make them they go, they already grow, say, make them go, now their life they want they live. I choose you, my wife. Una jere where tomorrow. When I jaw you got bio, ebani aha. When I jaw your bio, all of una we not they take care of una children, we just they run up and down, The kind turn that way go the fire una later. Una go say, una no say na so it be. But una carry another woman, we go born for una they trade those children. Monu when we ma train, the first one ma training here, you don't give them anything, even water to drink, even how to say birthday, happy birthday, my son or my enemy. Una not get that time. But the one way be say the second one come born, una come sit down. This is my child, this is my enemy. The loved one are not show the first one. If you not show to the second woman, if a bohan la wa egbe yasota. If a bo we ala wa egbe ota ala wa lele. Because not be those children say they want come this world. Now bring them come. After now don't bring those children come. Come on love, una not go show them. Una call the Bena. Their mama say, it don't die got fire over here. Now their mama be the law. Now their mama ne be your lawyer. If you they look your children, if you they look for your children, you don't know where to go. Una know where to go. Una know they go. Una leave those children. Waiting then they pass through for their brain. Una no know. Children, they need their papa, they need their mama. Una go feel a concern. Now don't see another kbekus. That one don't they sweet una. You know concern una. All those children, they curse una. It go reach una body. Una say una, they not they curse una. It must reach una body. Also like be. Now you see some of them young in children where you not train. You want go train the second one. Where be say the wife. You concern at those one that you want to train. Not be like una must stop all these things. How dare you run that can sit down? They talk to children where they don't born before they even know you. Say they not go come there because of the other way. When it concern you, concern the issue of Mama T with the husband. If not be over sabi, they worry you. If not be over sabi, because of say you don't marry the man. Not be you supposed to talk, say, me, I don't want to enter this issue, I don't want. But now you go do anyway. Your husband, they fear to go see those children because of you. It make us know. Hey, oh, social media no guy. You see people like us, if we want to analyze and we go inside, we go deeper. We not they look anybody eyes. I just say, me, I just come to, they make I bring her come. When I listen to your husband, audio when they talk to Papa twins, it means say now you now be the man. Now the man now be the wife. You want go see your children for the first time. You say you want carry your batalon. What you want go use your children with your wife to do for them? If you want do all those things, this one has gradually, now small thing, now small money they take the do one. The first thing for you to go there, go they talk to them. You not go even tell them say you even born say or you even marry because they don't want year. They know 1 year and no children 1 year and say if papa don't remarry or if mama don't get husband. They know 1 year. Common sense una not get. Why would it be with problem put for that children heads? You want carry your children, my wife must follow me. What your wife want go do for them? The time where you born those children, your wife when you marry now you did there. The answer is no. Later on, I'll come the shout. Hey, their mama not agree, make I see them. Their mama not agree. Their mama not do this one. Because now if no men do what ya me. Now I come they say their mama. So now rather than I marry you, Mr. Ma put for his house. Shame on you. Now she they decide according to her. Those children when you feel born, they will never. That's what she talk about. It there for media. They will never come to that house. Because now they pay the house rent. Now she get the house. Now she be the head of that house. Hell, oh jama so me, it be so wa doing. Again, I be why I be love mukwa. Your wife sit down, they talk. They let us they know say now they decide. Because all now waiting you they tell them for his house. You see most of una way don't fair born when I go marry again. Wanna make the way wanna tell they talk to una second wife wanna carry come. Oh, bon warrior ya wato. Now the hand wanna put for a grant. Then make her come there because if maybe you not put that hand for grant for her, she not get that voice. She not get that voice. Some men don't agree when you talk to your first wife anyhow. Even though say they're not gay. He go say no go there. No go there. Oh, now this woman ain't make me to be a father. But now not be like that. Una say una second wife make on the gbiyen. Now you can be innocent. Even the woman don't move on with her life. She not come because of say maybe you not come to see your children. You not even concern her. He said everything there for court. Now this your wife don't come and those children will never. They will never come to this house. It ain't wicked, they say. You know say may God let your husband last. May anything not do one. If maybe just boom now, they carry and go us. If they not see mama titi children, I always so. Okay, you never know. May God not let anything happen. Say this man don't reach 100 years. Say you don't go meet our ancestor. If mama titi children, you think say your own children, I want constant do the burial. Where they make money, they all talk, all back at me. Now, I not blame you, or rather, I not blame you. Your husband, or massa boy, if my wife not go, I know they go. Your children, not be saying a friend, you want go see you. Emon wake up beer before you see your wife. If she not follow you, you not go. Now so she talk, she said she not agree. He said like nothing go make those children enter house. Now this video now provoke me when I see him.
That's in period. Why? That's in period. Now me talk on. They not go tired because not be me, not be my house. One woman want to carry which go give picky, may give it to the chop. Make I play voice note where this woman said. Make I play video.
You don't see her. So in this woman they send voice a record go they give your husband. Now you can't they listen. Now you can't they keep her. He work their normal sabo why boom. Not be by say I be ma. She not here. Now she sit down they talk. He say make I play the audio. What it concern you concern ex-wife. You think the woman bola in nourish you. Even the children you said they will never because now you they pay the house rent. Because now you they work 10 and not 7 warani. Because when you marry a mugu, when you marry mumuma, that's why it be the woman I go they talk everything where it be say he want me happen for the house. Otherwise your husband. You for not even they talk about those children at all. Who born you? Who know you? They know you before. They don't know you. Because they say he can't marry you. Now you can't get the audacity to talk about those children. Many years, that man never see, he never use eye to see the children. Even the last born, if you see him for road, then not go know him. Tell! Ijene. You why say Jane, na so na be? Na so na be? Make una change una way all those men. All these men. Una the thing say children when na born for abroad, they go look for una. For this abroad. Once they don't be 18, they don't get girlfriend. You see that love where they not get. They want push. They want carry and go another corner. If they see you, then they see you like, hello, what can I? They look you like maybe person where they not even know. Not be like friends, self. Why would not be like that? Later now, when they blame the women. I don't feel blame the women because they say no gwalemi your boy can say. You understand? Now they look for something. Now you have the stretch pass. If really say you really they look for your picking, ha. The way when you go to meet your lawyer, I must see my children. I have the right. It's 50-50. Not be only with the woman get her children. But no, they do. Now say, the woman don't carry them go. If they grow, they will look for me. If they not even look for me, no problem. Let them find their way. They already don't find their way. Because not be Nigeria with them. Where they'll come look for you. What you want to do? The time when they're small, now they need you. Not be where be say they don't grow. The time when they're small, they need you. As far as say you don't need them. Now may you they go. As far as say you don't need them. Because when children, when they're small, now they need their father. As far as say you not there, you never come see them for school. You never go pick them for school. You never even send waiting that they call gift. Go give those children. Waiting they want come use you do. As far as say they don't grow, they can walk. They go see their money. Waiting they want come use you do that time. They don't need you. More than they time say their mama na ikosan. Their mama na ikosan. You know the love of a father. They not get time again. Because you were not there. You were not there. The opportunity you throw where? You throw where? You carry and you throw where? Or in the name of say you don't see new bekus. The thing they shock you. It don't give you pepper soup. It don't give you black soup. You go say the first children when you born, even though say their mama carry them go, make them they go, not concern you. Now this new one, now come the rain so. Ewe na jaoji obi owuho ewe na jaoji ga bi owuho. You see how this one just the thought said those children they will never come to this house unless say their papa he don't go another place. You are telling us where now you they talk waiting they reach waiting go reach for that house. I won't be a normal sabe winya.
I don't want to do the saga because now when I don't get new people who don't know the thing. I think it's hard time.
Shut up your mouth. You now another person for inside this issue. Which saga you want to do? Now you be another person for inside. You don't even need to talk. It not concern you. It not concern you. What it concern you for the issue? Now you carry another man, husband. The woman leave her for you. Which saga you want to do now? What you want to tell us? Nothing. You don't get anything to talk. You don't get. Even though say the woman send out, you say, you will never see these children in your life. You will never see this one. It not concern you. As the woman where they come marry now, it not concern you. The something is between the man and those children. So you want what you want to tell them? Now say you can't send out you. Now say you can't do this one. And then woman where be say they abandon picking for. Wait you be the thing say make they drink malt, make it they dance. When you be things say the audio, which audio you want to play the sweet one, make the way be say body can they cash and can they dance. They go do it to you. It is normal. It is normal. Not be say you take plan your life. It can't be like that because of one person. Good and fine. Egbe must to come. Even though say you swear Ajela like on the swear for inside the audio. And then what you concern you remove your body. Remove your body. You can't born for them. As that woman can't born for them. You go face your own. Oh, you say those children will never. They're not going to even come. What did they want to do? The woman said they are 18 years. Now only the last one, even the last one said, that one say Papa don't buy. And it's right. Any man who is not there for his picking life, you don't buy. You not there for this world. What you be want make the picking talk? May you say Papa there for somewhere. Papa where they not they see. Not be person where buy they not they see again. So what is the difference? One account they cry. If maybe your picking can't tell you say you not buy. Why so? So no, not cry too much. If you depend on or yana, do something before you will know. Say, oh, it's too late to cry. Most of una is too late to cry. Una don't even know where na children they again. They don't be adults. Once you are adult, you are free to do whatever you want to do. You think say as mama they push her now say because I see say the woman na very nice person. The way where she take the talk. I don't know about wetin she they talk. Wetin she they talk concern those children. As he pikin talk say, daddy buy me iPhone, you can't tell and say no, you know where that money there with all those things. You know all those things will be if you want go meet, you wanna go meet for McDonald's. If another woman. But you can say no, if you want carry your wife, you want carry your children, make them know each other. What you say, I don't understand. Mr. Man, you even the reason. Children where you not even train. Where you don't know the color of wetin they like, you don't know anything about those children. You want go see them for the first time. You want carry your wife. You want carry the children where your wife born for. You want carry go show them. What you want tell them? You want go tell them say this is my family. I don't born another thing. You know what you want to even go. Thank God say you know even go. And then someone believe say Mama Titi will not enough if I not allow you. What you want? You want go cause problem upon problem for inside their brain. Have you not know say na problem you want go put? Don't be say you can't show them love. You go they make them small and don't they play everything. Don't they like you know one thing? I want to make I tell now one thing. When I'm not worry this one because of the situation. I still don't still get family. Why you tell me young boy? Eh? Have you not know say when parents they separate like this? Some children they need therapy. Big one they need down. Why be Yahoo clean the brain? Mama Titi, carry your children run no. For this woman where be say she wicked rich like that. You see those children, God don't bless you. You don't train them, they don't grow. Who cares? Now only the son they finish. If they even see their papa now, they'll say, good morning, how are you? That's what they'll say greet you. Don't expect say they will say, hello, daddy of waiting. You do something of daddy. Woman do. Or may they come embrace you. I'm so happy to see you. That love, no, they don't go. Don't go. Not because of una. Not be those children faults. Now, know how many times they go there for his house, they go they cry. Say, oh, maybe they need their father that moment. They not go see una. Why to tackle work back? And they will be ma. Now go sit down for one bekus. You know if you talk say you don't know where your children they go school. No, you are there for me where my children want to take this phone. I want me at the contact and I don't big enough. Now no they do. No one they do. Now they expect say, if they grow, they will not. They will call me. Some people they even they see say some people they talk say, if they get, they want do marriage, their papa more involved. Ogon be papa ni no mako komo no we ando mo dia ibani. Now go they buy the papa. What you want to do for them? Who call and put for them? The time when they call and where you dey? Now I pikin one can do marriage, you go say, I'm the father. All the we were getting papa. Then they use another person to do papa. I pity for now when they do like that. One zoo of Evani, most of now this what they go. Now know what it did. When you say feeling, now don't know anything about feeling. Now don't know. When this one they say they will never come to the house. You get house. If they not come, you still say they not come waka. Since then, not be their mama house then they. You as a mother, see what they talk come out. Those children will never. What it concern you concern those children. If you say the ex-wife will never enter the house, I go see the yes more. But you were so bold as a mother. They talk say those children will never. What did those children do you? Me aware of that. If you never they talk for the woman now, say maybe the woman want come with the child. I know what may come. I go they understand. But the money, what did they do you? They know because their papa feel wrong, follow you. The way when you take the talk, if I mean be Madame Matiti, never that man not go even see those children again. I must do one. When they reach 18 years, when they carry they go. What it concern? Why are you me and why are you Germany and on night on our no what time when you're wicked is very See.
High time. I regenerate the issue, not to anybody, but to my fans.
What you want to
so that whenever they want to speak on my behalf,
what it concern you concern the issue. What it concern you concern the issue of this children and papa. Now you thief person, bola, they leave am for you, may you carry go. What you want to talk? Make them come they clap for you. Hey, you are doing it well. The man not they see children. You are doing it well. For many years, the man then Germany, the children then Germany. They never even know where they never even know. Okay, now us what people now want to clap for you. The way when you take care of the matter, hey, oh Jesus. Oh. Now your husband or another for where you are turn. Otherwise, you not get right. You not get right. You not go even go there. They not call you for the issue.
They will be able to defend you well.
And I love you genuinely, oh. Don't be all those fake love.
What's the case?
Which one will be?
Don't you want to do
all this pasha love?
Can you imagine? Person like me, I can't they support you, say, you do and where? Who you be? People where picking where you can't fair meet, you do and where? I will never support anything like that. May God not let me support any woman where they talk, say, picking where they fair born. They're not going to enter their papa house. Say for waiting. Their papa house. Hey! Now what for una shao? I don't know, say na so some of una be. I say I not go to blame you now. Now the men now they blame. Because man will really be man. He not go lie who born that woman. Come they trauma go they give you children. For waiting now. For waiting. Make una suffer you. Make una so. Eh no ya go wow Mr. Man. Maybe you agban on ne. I'm egbe. Or agban on ne. Now the thing they sweet you. They sweet you. Say those children, they not be children. If your wife will be say you marry for us, not follow you, you cannot go anywhere. If na me be those children, me I see this kind of thing. Even though say if they come say, I'll tell you say I'm not there around. You will never see me. You no go see me. What I want use it to do? Why with the children? What I want use it to do now? Just to say hello, I'm your father. Finish. And then you go your way, I get my way. But why can't very only be here? Agba again no that the one where you don't marry now. Where I cook any here? You say you want to introduce those children to the oh saloboa. And you want coin? It be so wakon be. Because you don't know what those children pass through for many years. So you want to carry those children with your wife where be say snatch their papa. Go greet those children. Say, this is my wife. And then we now say, oh, you are very welcome. I do not know say children that they jealous. Okay, no, no. Why setting here because of their working? Why setting here? I pity for some of una, una old age or I love who wa. Cause when waja junior do bio wa. You see those children when they think say, and then that one no, this one I be this one. The time when now come old, now they now come no. Na make anya obonu ya mani gbanu ya mani ho. The hand where you take carry it, take and use and take carry bio because otherwise una old age you go too sweet for most of una where they run up and down. Pikin where you not do for the time where small, you can't expect me can't do for you the time where you can't old. Ogun ogbo bi anya wa lẹ́yìn wi wa. O wa lẹ́yìn wi wa. O lẹ́yìn wi wa because you were not there. The time when they need you, you're not there. So what do you need now? So now then people come they talk say, now see your papa, now see your papa. Now so it still be for some mother where they run. They go follow they go leave children, they go leave and throw away. Another person go take care. They'll come say now so they can't turn their brain. Now me be the mama. I carry you for 9 months. You carry her for 9 months. Does that mean say if you carry her for 9 months, you not go train her? You not go day in life? More than there for social media, more than they want more than not go find our children. Mona not go find our children, Mona they shout for there. My ex-wife just carry my pikin. Now you carry and go. Because you don't know where cut today. May you drag and cut, may you carry and go there. Mother say, mother, this thing will come out for your mouth. It's very, very expensive. Too much. How can a mother sit down? Those children will be say the kind a hating when any money, God forbid bad thing. Mama T, I bet if you know Mama T, Mona tell her, don't try it, Because I hear say now only you want to take care of those children. Down one here, may they even go there. The man not ready to even see children. If he ready, he know what to do. Any man who ready to see pikin, know what to do. As far as say your wife say make you sit down for ikpe kusnuare bani. Again ye bien no we na. Eni ogi your monuka bien ye yo carry go. Carry go. Some of them they tell say Mama T he never move on. He never move on. She not come because of say ex-husband though. I never watched the first video when she can't talk. He said this woman do the shook her. And many people confirm and say not true. Right from Facebook. Now this woman they shook that woman. Right from Facebook. He said make you leave her for waste. Now make this your husband who can't jump inside. I want to walk away. Make you leave her alone. Children wey don reach 18 years now, I want come to say, I want to see, and you want come go thank the other man, say, you do well for taking care of my children. Who and no why you want say? Why that bomb ave akoko mo you wabo? Ave no degi yeke. Wama wo agbon waje. I see the video, may I play small for now. For those of you wey be so na not even listening for Papa Twins yesterday. Avec be ane ebu. Yeah, me where I'm a father. The father of waiting. Children wa gba ogiyan wa filiyan kwa no know what they pass through. Now say they'll call they blame the women. Na their mama me turn the fire una. Na their mama be lawyer, na be judge. O my can judge je no just so boy. Judge will come. When we listen to
me. I'm here. Greetings to every one of you.
This one of the video when they do yesterday. I want to see whether I play us.
So where are we starting from? Are we starting from what she said yesterday?
Yes, what she said yesterday and
when we just listen some more.
Today the evidence we post me, I want to post them now. Am I permitted to do that?
Yeah, you are permitted because of her statement.
Okay, good.
It be like say that one day before yesterday. It be like say that thought say they not marry this woman. It be like say now so she talk. So this woman come bring picture come where they do traditional marriage for Italy. Okay? He said they do the rest for house. And this man one come talk yesterday. He said na Mama Titi na send money go house. Meaning na the woman na do the marriage for her. If we mamu we got time no. Say na woman na do marriage for you. Salo bua. So me una no get shame o. Mo na dey get shame.
You know. Okay. No, I
in the court of law.
Now we listen small. I will play the mass. Simon and listen to
it. But people now, I don't say they will not this record.
I like the way sister said the truth yesterday. Okay, the sister of the man.
You and your ex-husband.
The sister of the man, yes, that one say she with her Mama Titi, they be friend, no? Say betting with Rhoda, they no. No one na gwe nekpekpe na what you want use that to do. Why ya was say? Then I yek bona ya no was snatch up be a worry. Ona be agbo kan or gbe money buy. What you want use that to do na say kegbe. Ogbo kan ogbe ex-wife, ogbe money buy e monu gbe over. Wa so da ojiyan you carry a name you dey nail the forehead. Ha, God forbid bad thing. If not the mama na go the year, that one not even get your time.
So you leave her. You put S, you write ex-husband, put X. If you possible to write her.
Even if I don't write ex-husband, it's okay like this.
I say, so the woman can't bring the picture.
Madam, this picture we put for yes, so.
The picture when
this picture to us before we proceed.
Yeah.
This picture was the ex-husband traditional marriage between the both of us.
What year was this?
That
the
was
sister said the man.
I think 2013.
Mama Titi,
2013.
He know.
2013, I put money for your head.
My sister, he know. Which man no go know? Say he with his wife, then they the same house. Before he carry children come out, he go come to say he no know. He know now. You know, say most of them they send their wife that time. He go say as everything can't be now, maybe you just can't go that side. It's why I was so done in a wagwale kiavega. It's why I want to walk in a pan in a wagwalu in a wow. That's all now. I no go know. This man they lie where they lie. They lie, he no know. He no want me we know the way we say no this road that even road that don't even confirm when they talk that day before yesterday. We did then now our brain they work. Now you can say, okay, now you be papa twins. Now you be papa twins. Or my kind when you're papa twins. How you tell the picture? How you tell that say, man, where you meet, you not find out who be this man. You get wife, you get children, you not find out. No one you in. You know. As far as say the woman there for Germany, go say no concern me. I know say some women be like that. Now my pikin and one born, no concern me. Oh, to be there. Now she do. Now she do. You collect another person, your husband. Good and fine, you collect. But what about those children? What it concern you concern those children? When you see the hammer them. Huh?
Now I pay my bride price. When I born my third daughter did 6 months. If I'm not mistaken, I'll be 3 months. No, it did 3 months.
My people, wanna help me love and like and share this video for me. Una way be so na be women. I beg. I want beg woman. Wanna know they do only traditional marriage if you there for abroad. Please. No, they do only tradition for abroad. And you there here with the man. Wanna go court where I'm more boy be. They go run, they don't want to. Because they know it's very powerful. You see that marriage one and they come like say, now tradition, I must go do tradition. I'm not saying not do tradition because that one you want to do it for your family, now you do it for. You see the one where they do for abroad, it too get weight to or anything. One and they do that one. No one get one and they see and whether they go do, they go wrong. They will say, no, na tradition we'll do. After tradition, we don't finish. You as a woman, do here, join her. Do and join her.
So now the man say pay my bride price. My second daughter. May I just say okay after twins. Now they follow twins they will. Then 3 months. Now the man pay my bride price.
And Nigeria for do this one. I've been in Europe here.
Now Italy, we just come that time. We finish for her. Now we come house. We do the traditional marriage for house. Then we go do reception for her.
For Italy.
Okay. Okay, but you can't do it for us. Okay. Okay.
Then we list this now. The man go call us now. Well done.
Now you stress for this thing. I've been I tell you saying I go put money for it because women deal with the beg husband. See,
I was not even among the plan. I was not even among them when they were planning it. I was even there. That very day I just birthed my baby. That was the day. I was so happy that day. 2013. That was when I just bought my first land. I was happy that it was my happiness day after the foundation. I bought the land instantly, I laid foundation. So I was happy. And he came to me and I said, oh, I don't call my people. May they go see your people. I said, how you will go call your people on my behalf without even telling me? He said, you want make him just do her, make it come up for Grammy, no day neck again. So that is how the process started. And so we tell you, now you pay money, now you put money for those children head that time.
No, now you already put money. You not put money for those children head. Then
no, by tradition, that I
oh, yes. Now I understand. Yes, now I understand. Traditionally, yes. That's why when a woman is now married to another man, he will not.
And this road I don't know one thing, say they still marry her according to her. You see those children where be so mama titi bo. Now those one be any your code down. Any your code down no way. No matter picking where you want come born today. May come say now those one now that one can be last. Now you can be first. So magba. Any yaka be.
Refer to the other traditionally in Benin. You can't refer to other men as you put money for those children head. I understand.
Yes.
I understand. Okay. After this traditional marriage and everything, what now happened? No, you don't already explain what happened yesterday.
Yes.
What it can change from this moment? What it can change from this moment? Short.
I want to know what you get your mind to start with. Secondly, what you mean notice and what I discover. Now, best way I open for everything we see. If I should judge the man, but I am not on social media for the case of this man. I am here because the wife never allowed me to have my own peace of mind.
Una see, for those of una when they thought say, why the woman not move on? You not even hear now where you talk and hear. He not come. Even for the first day where this woman come, when she was day before yesterday, she even talk and say she not there here because of the man. Make this wife, this former wife we marry, make he leave her for waste. Nigga is so lenient, or when okay so lenient, be not seeing your boy. She still repeat her for here. For those of now when they tell say, make she move on. She don't already move on. She don't already move on.
And even when she don't do what she do. Me and the man case, now German court, we want to finish that one.
That's so.
That one, we must go there. But for the case of the court of social media, now the woman did the court of social media. I think we need to treat the man case. The woman case are me. Bend the man on. Because me, I go definitely reach German court. If na me stop and me,
when I reach out to your ex-husband this evening, your ex-husband told me that even before una come finally separate, say you cheat on her. Say those children cheat on her.
With proof, with which name, with which conversation.
He said that was why you were saying that, oh, you wanted to come back, oh, when they do sacrifice. You also said it yesterday.
That was when he left now for 2 years. I repeat it yesterday. Not when I was in Italy. He already had this woman. He already had this one with him.
Already? Okay.
Already. If you calculate...
You don't already move on, mommy.
He already go with this one. And I waited for him for 2 years. That is when I move on. Then when I see that the relationship wasn't what I want, I said, okay, I want to go to him so that the children, all my children have not finished giving birth. I want to have all my kids with one person. Then I beg him, whatever that you feel that I've did to you, I am sorry, let's come back. Then I go through the family as well. I cannot deny that. He wasn't in Italy. I did not cheat on him. If he said I cheat on him, I will serve him paper.
No.
I will serve him. Even if I'm a Christian. Even if I'm a Christian. Now that after 2 years when I did Germany, not when I did Italy, I do that. When my baby, I born my small girl, 2013. The baby did 3 months, now do traditional marriage. Then I entered Germany, March 9, 2014. What gap and space do I have there to cheat?
Okay. Hello.
Why is he lying?
Well, hello. Where? Domosa.
And the man they talk so.
Well done, boy. I want this one here, Bonnie, man. You won't lie now. You want to lie and cover your rubbish. I did not bring you here. We will go and finish our case in court.
Say not bring her here because you not get it time.
This time I'm ready for you people. You probably you think I'm a fool. I was waiting for this day to come. I will serve you paper from the court. If I did not do it, your case is not here. Your wife case is what I bring to social media courts.
Jonah, yeah.
Okay.
No can let the man come. Normally, my people, they don't even need to discuss about the man and the wife. You understand? Because she not bring her come, so they can't talk about the waiting pass. He just come. So make they talk, make they tell this woman, make he leave her for waste, make it they can, make him don't leave the man for her. Nigga is so lenient. So we not be said because normally they don't need to even they talk about the man self because the woman don't already move on, the man don't move on. But the woman where be say there for inside house, which is Rhoda, you know, they get back They say no video where go do where not go trauma go give. Now the husband I concern. Obonoda phone here your turn no.
That it was 3 months interval, not 2 years. And it was your own father that called in and say, my pikin one call Zo. Zo means my pikin one call
Christian Gegi told no make a stop lying so that you will live long. Why are you lying? I will serve you paper. This thing that you are saying, I will serve you paper from Ayelala. Nedweke nonsense, you know me. I will serve you.
That was what
I will serve you.
The man said it was not 2 years interval, it was 3 months interval, that it was your own father. Papa Laura, how would that possible if the man is not lying? Let me explain. I came to Germany 2014, March. He came
where they already give us an apartment. We spent only 2, I think we spent only 2 weeks in the camp. He came. In that 2013, we were still together, stroke 2014. 2014, this man was still with us in Germany. The day this man called Bright to take this lady to hospital, then she was already pregnant. Or even it's like she fell in the bedroom. That's why she fell for bedroom, I mean she fell for step. This man there with me for Germany. When he called Bright, may Bright carry this girl go hospital. Is it not 2014? He was there with me in 2014. Where do I cheat? In 3 months.
So mesh.
Papa Laura, did they let me not count you among. They go back, go cook story, come now. 3 months when he paid bride price. And he paid bride price. I think the bride price was paid in August something. Then I go to Germany 2014 March.
Your bride price was paid in 2013 and in 2014.
In 2014, how many months they there? Where I go take cheat for 3 months?
1 year in time.
How many months they there? How many months they there, my brother? See, like, don't they come out from corner? You are a liar. Why are you lying? You want to cook story that will cover this girl? Me and you case is not here. No. Our case is in German court.
Abi.
If you like, Papa Laura, please, I don't want to be pissed off. I don't want to be angry. Please. Because a man now, Jamemo, Baba, I have some more better than you.
Oh, in 2020, even on 2015. Me born my daughter 2014, come out. Then me born my daughter 2015. I can't get my son belly 20.
You not see your mat, they down for a side. They call you put. Ojekia. Amanati wa Jekia. Awegbanuwa. You not see say now you be the head of the family for them. Who ain't you where you were bani? How you take on tell us how you tell me the man? You don't know her before, say na be papa twins. You don't know her, you just see her. You waiting cause na so na bio. Now not hear a voice for a side there. They talk to the man, or me a phony, or na me na walk head or tell him I make it now say.
Does that mean say after me go get belle, he wants to come so make it come? Since after 2 years.
Even though say she even after we don't get belle, you never see some women where you wrong get. You go enter there. Leave that to you, my dear sister. Woman where you wrong get, no your you where you come from nowhere because I say leave you. Agba marry that man, we go gather marry. Alright, te do zogiwo. Obo no, we go John. No, not see you na left. I went talking to
when
those.
You get belly, you don't pay your bread price, and you get house. When you get belly, you know the quiet. I bet quiet. I don't want to talk to you. You want answer? But you get house. You carry belly from where? Who get belly?
Yes, one of the list you.
I told the pastor clear that the father have called me.
The pastor no guy. Laura, can I finish my explanation?
They don't even ask themselves. Nobody even ask how it can be here.
You guys go at work. Are you okay? You guys go. Are you commanding me? You guys go. Who got I'll be away. Who there? Don't tell me when you guys go. Tell me with respect. No, talk to me. Talk to me with respect, Christian Igebo. Talk to me with respect. Don't tell me like one.
I want you to vie me, the dog vie me. Or no, when we go John, what you na dena the vie me. But people not be so much that they see for social media. They not even call because of this man with this woman anyway. Oga Mr. Man, they shame get where I'm way. Say you not even know where your children they and we're all Germany. Now that one me day after. You see this ona do go your own, ona do on your side anyone. That one not even concern me. That one are both of una headache. But as you as a man, we be say o massa bo wawe. Now the woman when you put for his house, now you can they talk about that baby concern the children where you feel born. It's a shameful thing.
My favorite, I'm not your favorite.
I want to read. For that reason, I am done. But what if you or the train station at your brother won't hear Ebola because I got my children at the school. So what when you have here?
You and I planned to go to Germany. It was you and I planned to go to Germany. Well, we not are
then I move for the year now. Yeah, go on. You tell me I don't mute in here. You tell me I don't mute in here. Yes. Speak pidgin English. Yeah, I do. Pidgin English, sir.
Yes. Your children come for your house. She decide to believe saying that she be the papa and the mama. I she back and I said the marriage is over. When the father comes, I said, but what if he hear your worry all on? When I live on an annoying, God bear me witness all because of we and little. Because the one you know they can't come where because of my children, there are things I don't want to say. I have to do what I'm quiet.
I want you to say, sir.
Because of your children.
I want this issue of this woman
Which children?
And your wife to end today. I want you.
They not even carry their issue concept. Which children be that one? Children will not even know where they. If they even see you, don't spit for your ear twice in your one. Which children?
To say Mama Tuti make it finish first because you not be media person. Now what's happened for the talk to her so you go talk fair way make it.
Now media person, you don't first start me. Now media person.
Wait.
First you don't first start me.
Wait first, mute. Yeah, talk to us and we are hearing you. Please, everybody listening, more than listening. You get why they do this thing. Make peace.
You know why I decided to call you,
Yes, sir.
You know why I decided to call you, My sisters, my family did this platform. I call the same way they come here.
Okay.
Yesterday, they won't climb this platform yesterday. Even once, you don't talk, say, he will correct what you should talk, your star.
Yes.
He will correct, I mean, no one talk, my sister, he will correct her. When this woman left my house,
Even your sister not able to talk anything bad when she enter.
I celebrated this woman leaving my house.
Say celebrate.
How? Why did you celebrate my house? Why did you celebrate your own wife?
I come free. I free now.
I come free. New Bekus is coming. He come free. Come they appear. Thank God though. Germany. Oh, thank God though. Road that done there for one corner. You come free.
You come back from work, I go fear to enter my house.
Because some boy woman.
For one day Italy.
Christian, can you swear? Christian, a boy swear.
All is you police because let me talk and say if woman you don't drop her.
Yes, may if I drop. If you don't explain finish, then before we bring her back. Continue.
If woman they misbehave for this life, always learn. Now me they call police. She did toxic crazy because I never raised my hand.
If
you're not the quarter, now you they call police for Italy.
My brother, now me they call police so may I tell you because I don't go pitch, I don't go do anything. You don't talk nothing, you don't talk like brother.
She said that it was the agreement between you both to come to Germany.
What be me with y'all?
Hey!
I will tell you the gospel truth. People they here now we take this platform now. We will sit down, we plan. See God forbid.
Yes.
Then later you still go to Germany.
They try to integrate. You know how many years I take school for Italy. I get my work, I get my everything. She know. You get patient more collect cards. Since work, I know they get contract again for Italy. Get patient more collect cards. That was the agreement. Me, Papa, okay, Bright, not so nearby. Which other person, but 4 or 5 family. She said, okay, everybody agree. I dropped children about 2 or 3 days because now she go discharge my picking for. I drop this woman, you know.
Wait, why would you? Why you going in here? I'm not saying for this platform. People when they not they play. I don't want to offend anybody. Moderators, please. This man is explaining. Wanna wait. If this man don't explain finish, we can bring any other person up, which is Mama T. This was the reason why I was trying to reach out to the man so that he can also explain his own side of the story. Finish. Now the husband is trying to explain. Continue. Because they wanna wait, wanna collect kata. I beg they speak pidgin English. They speak pidgin because the people will not the hear Benin. Because the people not the hear Benin. They speak pidgin.
Before I come back from and before this time, my daughter was sick. My daughter at the hospital. This woman discharged my daughter, come off the hospital. And she knows me and my friend will call Christian, my namesake. We beg this woman, why did you want to discharge this speaking come off the hospital? You know, so this speaking the sick, this speaking almost lost his life. The next thing I hear from this woman, I say, I want to use my daughter. I say, I want to use her do real money ritual. You know, my friend will talk. That woman, the man shocked.
Ah, wow, things they happen.
The man shocked. Say, why this one? Why you talk this kind of come for your man? Till today, all the time. But to me, what I'm even doing now, even if I explain myself, I'm ashamed.
They don't even call you for it, sir.
To be ashamed because
They don't even call you.
no matter what it is, your ex-wife.
Damage control in the ground because
Oga Mr. Ma, even for you to come dey explain self, nobody even ask you question because for the she no even carry you come. You understand? Now she with your wife, say make they tell your wife make you leave her for waste. No see do when now gele okpia no so okpia no dolo waeji. Your wife, you for not they allow and even they talk about your ex-wife and your children where you don't fair born. You for not agree. Where?
Woman is really ready. I can buy her tickets.
Okay.
I'm a traditional man.
Okay, waiting you want go swear for now. Waiting you want go swear for now, say now 3 months interval it take it on you, not be 2 years. I'll be on that one day we want swear for.
No, you don't understand. When she come after she don't come out from my house.
Yes.
Come Germany.
Yes.
She don't even know where she did. You understand? Now people tell me say they see this woman and the brother where they call Evans. Carry a cola. She come Germany. I don't know where she did. After a while now, I know they come.
I bet hold on. Person will talk say no, I'm disappointed.
He say he can't they come. He can't they come Germany, come. But he not know where this woman dey. And this woman talk and say, na umiya wega no, wagari Germany. When he even read the content and say, gwali egume, say the man consent 50 years ago give her. He wa can't talk that. He can't say the woman carry children wrong. Hey! Salubwa.
Block the person. That person will just say, no, I'm disappointed. Please block that person out of here. Go and disappoint with you. Me, I'm disappointed with you too. That person will just say, no, I'm disappointed. Block that person away from here. What they talk about?
When the family called me and said, I'm not interested. Not people should come up for us. Once my partner come up for us, I am done. That's what she did come on. She can't take Germany. So people around me, she got a call me saying, I'll let her call the call. I don't get what I want you to do. You don't come on. So people from my area like the Mama Fabio, confidence, people they call it beg me, pride. Every call it does say, if you behave like this, it don't make sense. You don't like saying you dey pursue this. I tell they say, my brother, I dey celebrate the fact that say I am free. You don't come off from my neck. I don't come and respond to this thing. In all, those people come push me, because it's okay. And which is the greatest regret I have to today. Coming to Germany to look for this woman. That time when she come out that 2014.
Okay. Sir, can I ask you a question before you proceed? This picture when you did my background, so when you see from my back, what kind of picture was it? Was
Mona
it
Lisa.
a photo shoot or?
Mona Lisa.
No, my dear brother. This is some of the reason why I tell people, I encourage people. You see all these WhatsApp marriage where they do, you people should avoid it. There are some women where they favor. This same woman, I tell you one time, I can't let you okay there. No matter where you are okay there. My sister is here. I think falsely. She will tell you now. She did this plan. She will tell you now. I had to take first this. I tell her, say, this woman not fit pay her price.
Hey, what?
She thought it. Now me yes, I mean no way they pay me until she change in the name of say I don't want me to woman born for me. I don't want to live the life where my father lived because my father was a polygamist. I said I don't want to live that kind of life. I want to live a straight life. Even if this woman will change, she not change.
You want come up? You want come on? I dey bring people up, but I not sabi do. May you just send request. I will carry you call. May you talk your. He said WhatsApp marriage na you do. Shame on you. Send request to my sister. Shame on you. Man, where you do WhatsApp marriage. Shame not even the cash. Now here I want make I listen. My sister.
Now let's put that aside. So this one I'm married, our supposed traditional marriage. If you can see, I was not even happy.
We am happy.
Traditional marriage.
I didn't spend money. I don't spend money.
Shame on you. Now who ma marry you?
Help me pause pause this first. I just talk wetin I want to talk because I lis
I
ten for
don't
the
put sister.
video. Okay. So this thing I'm not gonna lie for you. Shame catch me small yesterday because the truth be say even in your own family come counter wetin e talk. They say they pay the wife the first one dowry. Wetin you dey talk say na WhatsApp marriage? What is wrong with you? Because the time wey you take carry money go Nigeria, God give you small money, you go Nigeria go do am. Then you come dey curse the one wey you first do. That na one side. Then you come dey talk say, you see, there's nothing like when my children grow. This day and time, if you say when my children grow,
Eh,
they'll
they'll
come
look for
find
them.
me. Go ask Iyabo Ojo whether when he pikin wan marry, whether the man wey he born am for no beg am. Go and ask Iyabo Ojo. You see this mentality wey some people get, and na just stupid mentality. You were married to that woman. You lied to your current
Yes.
wife. Might be the truth.
Yes.
You lied to this girl. Now this girl wey dey are suppose dey fear you because you na old man. You be old taker.
Oh.
Now if to say I talk for
Madam.
no get platform na phone, na wetin I go talk be that. This very guy, so he's
Yeah.
50 something years old. This very girl wey im mouth dey
Hey.
run dey look sweet, so she's 30 something. I be dey see two of them for Facebook now, wey she dey do makeup, she dey cook that time. I just dey like her say, this girl. I no even know say na small pikin like that o because she be that
So wait,
when
snatch
she talk
another person, husband.
and e dey knack chest put. E dey even dey gap mouth. Say get some people wey dey all these boys wey dey for abroad wey dey support her. You people should be ashamed of yourself. Why don't you people go marry your own wives? What is wrong with you people?
No, maybe they
Eh?
support her. Get
Una
why?
dey
You get
support.
maybe get
Wetin
what they
una
go
dey
support her.
support? Una dey
Hey.
support. Una no wan talk true say e get somebody for inside this social media wey be say the person talk dey vex una because the person be like say God come give am one kind grace wey be say e find e calling. Na the person una
Yeah.
wan target but una no fit talk am because the shame dey catch una no fit.
Big
Na
one, they
wetin I
catch
see
them.
for there.
Oh, now
Because
yeah,
una
I
dey
want
talk
make I
una
play.
see na this girl and im husband and first wife get problem. Una dey drag another person wey say make I come help una settle matter
Can you
put inside
imagine?
out of jealousy.
Hey.
Na wetin I just see for inside na childishness, na jealousy, joblessness and mad people.
Jealousy. Thank you, but
Because
my sister.
this old man 55 years old man wey dey talk like small pikin so.
Wait, throw away children. I don't know where they
Make e
they.
go
Say
ask
they'll
make e
find
go
them
ask
tomorrow.
Agofure motors for Warri. Na so Agofure e throway pikin.
There are
E
many
keep
for this
person.
abroad though. There are many
No be I
where
no
they
dey even
run.
talk of abroad o. Na Warri man wey get transport wey dem dey call Agofure.
Yeah.
Na one day na that man 3 children take comot for this world.
Can you imagine?
Yes.
God that beg all this men.
Okay. Because of
Eh?
things like this, na so e dey drive that woman, e dey curse the woman, the one wey dey house dey tell am say curse am. Na useless woman. E do this
Now she
one.
be
The
the man.
one
Oh. Now she be the man.
no woman
I
be
mean,
man for anywhere. No woman be man. Now
Now
bad
she dey
character.
talk wetin dey. Now she not see the
A
video where
bad
she do. He said
influence.
those children will never come into our house. You know say our house, so he say your house.
Be like saying
You,
that she government give us now. That's why she can say that now.
na she come be
Because
the one for them.
if na she government give out, she has the right to say that.
May I
Because
play
if
am
na
for
the one they
listen.
pay rent,
Listen to
she
wetin she
can't say
talk.
that.
The video they run, they go for social media. And they come.
Mm.
When you see when I see.
The children not go enter this house. Now me talk am. So now so we can reach. The clock is before them or be after that they speak that English. That's in period. Why? And that's in period. Now me talk am. They not go enter here because not be me, not be my house. Wow.
Shona, yeah. He said the children not go enter. Thank you, but my sister. Make I plan small and not fit shouty. Now, yeah, I want me I just play and reach. Wait, talk say now WhatsApp marriage now you do. Yeah, my way no get shame.
The
Oh, yeah.
children no go enter
Talk
the
am
house.
again.
They no go find out say they won't enter before.
Because if this woman is really ready, I can buy her ticket.
Okay.
I'm a traditional man.
Okay, waiting you want go swear for now. Waiting you want go swear for now, say now 3 months interval I take it on you, not be 2 years. I'll be on that one day we want
I
swear for.
know, you don't understand. When she come, after she don't come out from my house,
Yes.
come Germany.
Yes.
We don't even know where she did. You understand? Now people tell me say they see this woman and the brother where they call Elfans. Carry a cola. She come Germany. I don't know where she did. After a while now come back. When they come.
I bet hold on. Person will talk say no girl, I'm disappointed. When I block the person. That person will talk say no girl, I'm disappointed. Please block that person out of here. I'm disappointed with you. Me, I'm disappointed with you too. That person will talk say no girl, I'm disappointed. Block that person away from here. But they talk about I'm block her. Continue.
And after all this while, I was in Italy. When she left, I said I'm done with the marriage. When the family called me, I said I'm not interested. Not me for she come up for us. Once my partner come up for us, I am done. Now so she take come on, she can't take Jenny. So people around me, she gonna call me saying, I don't get what I want you don't come on. So people from my area like the Mama Fabio, confidence, people they call it beg me, pride. Every call it say if you behave like this, you don't make sense. You don't like say you dey pursue this. I tell they say, my brother, I will celebrate the fact that say I am free. Don't come off of my neck. I want to come as one do this thing. In all, those people come push me, because it's okay. And which is the greatest regret I have till today. Coming to Germany to look for this woman. That time when she come out that 2014.
Okay. Sir, can I ask you a question before you proceed? This picture where it did my background, so we see from my back. What kind of picture was it? Was it just a normal photo shoot or was it
No, my dear brother. This is some of the reason why I tell people, I encourage people. You see all these WhatsApp marriage where they do, you people should avoid it.
He said that WhatsApp marriage you do.
This same woman, I tell you one time, I can't let you okay there.
I mean, but make I leave una, don't fish out. He said now WhatsApp marriage now you do. Can you imagine man they talk for man say now WhatsApp marriage now you do for your first wife? He said now the woman even send money, made they put for her head. So me, I want wow. We not even talk, not be because of this one they even come. But this man, God forbid bad thing. Mama Titi, if you see this video, I beg, carry your children run, no. Carry them run. Or Naoma boom. No try because this woman now don't talk and say they will never. And make sure say they will never. Make sure say they will never. They don't even need the man again. They don't need that. The time when they need that, not they. So they don't even reach 18 years. Now only the small one where you say they for 13 years, I be 14 years. So that one, I believe say that one not even need that. Man, we're not there for children life. He don't buy. Because if you there for this life, you for there your children life. Because if you want there for your children life, you know what to do to there your children life. And people make I leave una, God bless you all. You see all these men, Mona just did them, Mona they craze for social media. Say, now so my wife carry, I don't know where my children they. Now your pikin they find since where you not see her. You not get 50-year-old where you go give lawyer, may you start the case because now say it not concern me. If the children grow, they will look for me. Who you be when they want look for? Have you not know say if you want to do marriage, say then they rent papa or then they rent mama. Now it be for man, so it be for women. Some women now they just still they run, leave their children. It's still there. But now the men, oh now it come or pass. They go they shout for live video. Yeah, now so your mama carry the children come out. Now the mama carry the children come out. You know they allow me they see. Who where wow, you don't know where Lord, you don't know where your lawyer they. Now bye bye my people.